My name is Bimal Tripathi. I am the Executive Director of Maxim Integrated. We manufacture chips that power appliances ranging from mobile phone to high-end computing infrastructures. We are in the center of leading the IoT revolution, and I've been working with Maxim for the last 2.5 years. If you look at the industries, some of the industries are doing better in this COVID world, and some of the industries are slowing down. And because we have very diverse portfolio of products, we are doing well in certain sectors like computers and healthcare, and we are seeing a slowdown in the automotive industry. We also see that we see the mix of the product change. Some of the products are selling more, which means we are running into capacity constraint in some certain areas, and we have to come up with the new routes in the supply chain, and that requires support from the technology team, which is led by my team. So think about it. Earlier, it was easier for people. Let's say someone is designing the next great gadget for the upcoming Christmas holidays. Earlier, they could start putting together the circuit board and the electronic together by hand because they had the ability to go to the lab. Now, with the physical movement restricted, people are trying to do more and more of the design work on the web and using the simulator. And then more they can do on the web, less they have to come to the lab to complete the design and test and launch it. So we are seeing the push to more online. So that's one of the key customer segments. The most recent one is when we were implementing a very transformative project. First of all, we did not have a good common understanding and alignment on the goals this system is supposed to bring us. Second thing we saw was that there was a lack of clarity on what the end goals were. And the third thing was the platform we were using was not very stable. Team was working very hard, but still we were not seeing the business results. So the step one was for us to realize that the project was not going well. We reiterated why we are doing the project. We made sure everybody sees the definition of the success the same way. We also realized that there were some platform issues, and the resolution of that was we engaged very closely with the vendor, reached out to their executives for help, and made sure we get the full support from the vendor. And the third thing we did was we had to focus. What we had in front of us was too much to be done within the time frame we were afforded. So we had to prioritize and focus on the things which were key. And once we did that, things start turning for better. I would say there were like 4 or 5 things which a team should keep in mind. The topmost of that is the alignment of the vision. A company or a big transformation project will not be successful unless we have aligned vision. The second one is that we need to have shared goals. And if it's the number one priority for the company, it has to be number one priority for sales, for engineering, for support, for legal, HR. The third one is having a common culture. So we have to understand what the cultural changes are and evolve our timeline and have a change management process which takes into account all those factors. And the last thing is the execution. It's important for us to have a good ecosystem, have the right talent. It requires a diversity of skill set for a project to be executed successfully. IT is a great profession. IT is one team which gets visibility across all functions in the company. In IT, you can be a HR expert, you can be a salesman, you could be an engineering talent, all in one role. And after the CEO and the CXO staff, IT professional is the one who understands how end-to-end IT company works and what it takes to run business operations. the advice I'll give to a person is, if you are choosing a career in IT, do it if you have passion for technology, if you have affinity to learn new things, if you are willing to take challenges, and if you are passionate about making a difference in how the people interact with the technology and how companies solve the customer problems.